Hello and welcome back to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this very simple robotic bug with using just a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is the 3-volt button cell battery, 3-volt button cell battery holder, a vibrating DC motor, wire, 2 red LEDs, a slide switch, and a toothbrush head. Next, I'm going to solder the center pin of my switch to the positive terminal of the button cell battery holder. Solder it into place just like that. Next, I'm going to take my 2 LEDs and I'm going to connect the 2 anodes and the 2 cathodes together. But first, I'm going to bend the LEDs just like this. Doing that will make it look more like antennas or eyes. Solder the cathodes together and solder the anodes together, and it should look just like this. Bend it to make it look a little better, and there, it should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take these wires and I'm going to solder the anode to the positive of the battery, the cathode to the negative part of the battery. Solder the wire to the anode, and now solder it to the positive terminal of the switch. Solder the negative wire to the negative terminal, and now solder it to the cathode. And there, the circuit is almost complete. And it should look just like this. Next, take the vibrating DC motor, solder it to some wires, and then solder it to the circuit. Solder the negative wire to the negative terminal, solder the positive wire to the positive terminal, and then solder it to the vibrating DC motor. Polarity doesn't matter. Solder it into place just like this. And there, the circuit is now complete. Let's go test it out. 3-volt button cell battery, connected, turn on the switch, and there, it vibrates and lights up. Perfect. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue and put it onto the exposed leads of the circuit to keep everything insulated. Glue it into place just like that. Next, I'm going to cut off the excess glue. Next, take some hot glue and put it on the DC motor to keep those wires insulated as well. Next, I'm going to take my toothbrush head and place the circuit on top, just like this. Next, put a generous amount of hot glue on top of the button cell battery, glue down the toothbrush head, just like this. Put some more hot glue to put the vibrating motor into place, just like this. And there, your circuit and your project is now complete. Now let's go ahead and test it out. And there, it works. It's very fast too. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own toothbrush bug robot with using just a few simple components. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.